What's up, everyone? Grab your headphones, sit back, plug in, and tune out to the noise. Because my friend, you are now in the place where creators connect, conversation matters, and ideas comes alive. Welcome to Matori. Every success has a story. So let's hear it out from them.
Hi everyone, this is the lady who leads Dr. Vatsala. I'm an orthopedic physio by education and content creator by passion. So yes, I love what I'm doing. Let's see who is here.
Hi everyone, so my name is Anshu. I'm a content creator since 8-9 years, and I started my journey as a lifestyle content creator. Then I moved on to a fashion creator, and today we bring in a Jugalbandi, which is a male and a female point of view. So you can't do it really without each other. So we know that it's important to have a viewpoint of a male and female both. So that's where Anshu Nitesh comes in picture, and I'm sure you're watching our reels every day. So continue doing that. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Samiksha Nahar. My handle goes by my name. I am a mom creator and that's how I came into this field. I started an agency for brands, entrepreneurs and influencers alongside my partner Priyanka, and our agency is known by She Rise Pune.
Hi guys, I'm Priyanka Mode. I was an ex-finance professional, and then obviously Motherhood came calling and I ventured into content creation. I have been creating content for the last 7-8 years, and very recently, I think last 2 years, me and Samiksha, my partner, have started an agency by the name She Rise Pune, which is a platform for brands and influencers. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Nitesh and I'm an IT guy, but I'm also known as a content creator of late. Thanks to Anshu that we joined hands and now we are the Jugalbandi duo, creating a lot of mischief on the camera and also talking sense at times. Thank you.
So Priyanka, tell me which has been your favorite work with which brand? I mean, we have worked on similar projects so many times.
I think there have been quite a few, but if you will ask me, I recently did a work, with an agency. It is a home-based reel, video. But what I love about, the brand is, see, what happens is, as influencers, these days we have a lot of new influencers coming in. And I will not, probably group, one people, but then I feel since we have been doing it for the last so many years, and we have seen it actually evolving, right? So I feel brands and agencies these days need to understand the influencer and what they want from this video and all, right?
भाई मेरा तो सबसे बेस्ट है स्टोर विजिट रील easiest easiest
Even I feel because at home we need to do a proper setup actually. But store visit are easy because we already have proper lighting and all there, right? So it is actually very easy.
इसमें हमारा what you like being a mom creator or when you get lifestyle ones?
नहीं, so I like it being a mom creator because it is very handy. बच्चे साथ में है, you move जहाँ भी जाना है. You can easily pick them, जाओ करो खत्म करो. Even if it is at home, you have your kids around. I don't have to leave them and go anywhere. So that way, yeah, that way तो
पर मुझे बाहर का सेटअप भी अच्छा लगता है
सच में.
एंड सबसे अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमारे केस में है ना कि जहाँ जा रहे हो जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, तो रियल एस्टेट तो हमारा आजकल रॉकिंग चल रहा है.
Yeah.
actually seeing that real estate, influencing has been like anything in the last 1 year, right?
तो nowadays ये बहुत चल रहा है that they don't want to see brands को भी ऐसा है कि हमको सिर्फ आप रील बना के दे दो एट अ मिनिमम कॉस्ट, हम उसको हमारे एंड से बूस्ट कर देंगे, वो पैसा हमारे बूस्ट में लगा देंगे. दे नॉट इवन बॉदर.
कपड़ों का क्या?
The kind of information and the kind of talking which is important in today's time to really decide. Everybody wants to know कि information क्या है, but at the same time selling नहीं होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, कुछ
है.
ब्रांड्स को लगता है कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स लीड जनरेट करेंगे, बट व्हाट आई फील इज कि इट्स मोर अबाउट बuzz creation. What do you guys think?
I feel we as influencers are letting our audience know that there are different brands, and obviously through us they know okay, so many brands have come in the market and they can choose. It's not like we are selling everything. We're giving them information that so and so brand has come in the market, exists. That is what I feel. Yeah.
बट तुम लोग को लगता है क्या कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है?
Absolutely, totally. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है.
But then ये तो ऐसा भी है ना, so लीड जनरेशन का बात है तो बहुत बार ब्रांड्स का स्पेसिफिक आस्क होता है. A lot of time brands just wants number of views या उसको buzz create करना होता है. But a lot of times when the brand keeps coming back to you again and again because they've seen कि आपके end से lead generate हुआ है, that is why the brand is repetitive towards you.
Exactly. I have worked with so many brands like 1, 2, 3 times because they get good results. But that's how the agencies should reach out to us, right?
So why don't we understand, this whole marketing of Instagram it's a very great concept from a marketing perspective. Now, if you take US or the best of best, the Jennifer Lopez and all of the world, and when they are launching their product, they are not taking celebrities. They are taking the individuals of real life. What they did in one of the brands for a makeup, they sold out their products or they did a barter with close to 1,000 plus women.
With the common woman.
With the common women.
Yeah.
And they asked them to create 1 or 2 reels. And that reel just happened that it went buzz. Now every individual, every person in that community is using.
But then it created hype also there. No, see, now you once use a cosmetic product, you like it on your skin. So now the next time you become the potential buyer. That's how.
So I have seen there are creators who have like in million and lakh of followers, they don't generate lead, but sometimes lesser followers one also
But why
generates
is
very good because I think it's more about creating a hook or a script.
I think
guess.
it's more about being authentic. What
Yeah.
matters is if you're relatable to your audience and if you can connect well, then you have to actually forget that you're doing an ad. You really have to weave that kind of a thing where you're actually liking.
And that's what you two are right now doing. Yeah, we
Thank
can
you so
see
much.
that.
So guys, you just heard it real authentic. Please high five to that.
No, but that is the reality. See, we are here to uplift each other because we have been Pune community is small, and we all are Pune creators. But yeah, I'm. People say we are girls, but I am a girl only if you're a genuine girl.
So I'll take the cue from what you just said. We are a community, and I totally agree. And what I see missing, or what I'd love to have, is when we form or work as a team. When we work as a team, it really matters because that's when we as creators are able to reach out in a much better potential, and then we eliminate the competition. Competition will always be there, and it's not just because we want to compete, but it's what the audience is also looking at.
Has it ever been happened in your life कि सब हो गया है and then you have said no to a campaign?
A lot of times.
I think all of us have done this in this field. It happens a lot of times. सबके साथ. That you've created something and then constant nagging. This is wrong. Change this. Change that. Change this. And after even several corrections, there's one point of time where you or your editor, you all get to that point saying, no, bus done. And then you have to go back and say, no, I'm not doing it.
Abhi recently हुआ मेरे साथ, so I was very apprehensive about taking. I won't name the brand, but I was very apprehensive about taking that brand because it didn't somehow fit into my ideology that okay, I want to do this. It was a skincare brand, so they kept pushing me. No, we'll increase the payment. We'll do this. We'll do that. I did one iteration. I did another iteration. Third time, I had to literally say, listen, take back the product. I do not want any commercials further that you've increased. Also, let's not do it. Whatever hard work I've done, let it go because one, it doesn't fit with what I personally believe in. Secondly, how many attritions? 1, 2, and you're not even clear what you want. The brand is still getting confused.
I'm aware of this because what happened is, firstly, when I started looking at the ad, I'm like, how long can a product ad be? People have seen it.
Yeah, actually, this is a very important topic कि एक रील कितनी लंबी होनी चाहिए.
It depend करता है ना product पे कि वो क्या है.
Minute का reel, if someone is asking us to make, I will not sit on Instagram to watch a 1.5 minute reel. Nobody will. You need, and brands don't understand this part. They are like, नहीं सब एक ही reel में दिखा दो. How is it possible?
So this is when I think they should now start working in a way or collaborate with us in a way in which we have a retainership basis, wherein you have a product, fair enough. आप उस product के एक feature को आप 30 seconds में बोल दो, so someone scrolls also, they just see one, but at the same time they forget that if they do this, you create a 15 to 30 seconds reel, but आपके जो scroll times हो गए, people are stopping for that, they're watching, and at the same time you are seeing.
Insights की send अब skip rate, भाई skip rate is very important these days. If you want good money, good commercials, depend on skip rates. I'm sure agencies know this. But then if you will ask us to create a 1-minute reel, people will skip it.
Yeah.
Brands, please understand that.
Okay, so I will say one thing कि यहाँ पे तो फिर सब लोग I think so प्रियंका को छोड़ के all 4 experience this कि कुमार मैग्नेसिटी make you like 1.5 minute reel.
Then I told Nitesh about it. कि 1.5 minutes की the brand and the agency saying just share all the information.
I swear.
And I think like you have to make around 1.5-2 minutes.
So trust me
I
that-
got to 2 minutes, 2.5, and then I've cut short, and still I could not fit
मेरी भी
everything.
59 second का reel है वो, but it's
It's maybe 1 minute 40 seconds.
Minute, 2 minutes. Achoo. And now Priyanka I want.
So guys, you know, but this is very interesting. I'll tell you what happened. Okay? No, listen. I'll tell you what happened in Kumar Magna City. So as usual, we were late because we were supposed to reach there at this particular time, and traffic था रास्ते में. Nitesh was screaming, तुम्हारी वजह से late हो गए. तुम हमेशा late करती हो. पता है तुम्हें shoot है. Blah 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 blah. And I was like, yeah, let's go. It's okay. I had to hear it, so I heard it. And then when we reached there, we realized that both of our scripts are so long. तो उसकी मैंने usually I looked at the script. I said हाँ 2 दिन पहले देखी थी. उसके बाद वही का as it is follow up आया था. Script देखी नितेश ने मेरी script तो बहुत छोटी है. तुम्हारे comparison में तुम्हारी इतनी बड़ी है. Shit, how are we going to do this in 2 hours? I like we will do it with it. So we started shooting. पहले मेरा script. मेरा जो पहला पैराग्राफ था वो 4 लाइनों का था. 4-5 लाइनों का था. We took nearly 1.5 hours to just shoot that paragraph to get it
my
right.
God.
Sometimes I was not looking right. Sometimes my hair was not looking right. Sometimes it was not the lines were not coming right. So excuse me, lines were not coming right. Sometimes कुछ मेरा posture ठीक नहीं था, so I lost it. I said, listen, I am not doing this today. Come what may. He's like, अच्छा चल ठीक है मेरा वाला करते हैं. तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा आज. I was like, okay. We started shooting with Nitesh's scene. दो स्टेटमेंट में ही लाइक रुको दोबारा करता हूँ. तुमने एंगल ठीक नहीं है, फोन ठीक नहीं पकड़ा, ऐसे नहीं करा वैसे नहीं करा. और लाइक यार नहीं हो पाएगा आज तो कम वॉट में नहीं.
so sometimes this is actually an experience.
We literally
And Anshu called me.
I called her. I said, Shreya, listen, and Nitesh was like, what the hell are you doing? I was like, I'm calling Noe. No, you are not. I said, yes, I will call them right now. Watch me. So I called and I was like, Shreya, पता है मेरे सर में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है.
I am not feeling well.
Seriously. So guys, it was 12:30. It was 1 o'clock. We reached. I took a biryani. I got a biryani. Somebody sent a biryani from Hyderabad. मैंने इसको बोला, मैंने कहा पहले ना बैठ के लंच करते हो. मैग्ना सिटी में बैठ के लंच.
Oh my God, now I'm feeling great. Okay, Anshu and Nilesh.
So उसके बाद we had our biryani. I said पहले आराम से बैठ के.
और मैं तो गलत ही कुमार मैग्ना सिटी पे पहुंच गई थी भाई.
एक बार मैग्ना सिटी जाते I was speaking to her, she was not in town, so इसका you have to cross her place and then go आगे. इससे बात करते करते I had to pick up my editor on the way. मैं बात करते करते कुमार मैग्ना सिटी पहुंच गई. And I was just 20 minutes I will take that U-turn and go.
जो पहला एक्सपीरियंस था वो कुछ 4 साल पहले था. एक रेस्टोरेंट का था. अब बेचारी ओए की टीम भी परेशान हो गई उस एडिट से. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर. आई डोंट नो इफ श्रेया वाज देयर दैट टाइम और नॉट. आशिव यूज्ड टू बी देयर 4 साल पहले. सो देयर वाज वन रेस्टोरेंट नया खुला था कोपा के आगे. यू रिमेम्बर भाई उन्होंने जितनी एडिटिंग, मैंने कहा रेस्टोरेंट शूट में इतनी एडिटिंग. It was like I was like now I am not posted. Then they only edited. So what I like about them is कि even if some blunder happens, they know how to handle it, and that's
Very sweet team, no?
very nice.
बस कुछ aspect में sweet है.
उसके आगे मैं भी बोल रहा
There's one story about Oi and me that all of you have to know this. So it was my birthday and Oi had this staycation happening in Nasik. So we spoke over it. She said आप staycation है, आप जाओगे क्या, ये वो करके. I said like weekdays पे तो it is not possible. That 19th is my birthday. So छुट्टी भी आता है, तो I'll end up going. नासिक है, दूर है, it takes time, one day trip, and then it happens to be closer from my mom dad's place also. I said चलो हम दोनों जाके क्या करेंगे, I'll call over mom dad because it was a villa तो allowed था. ठीक है चलो we'll go. वो सब हो गया, प्लान हो गया, हमारा सब कुछ डिसाइड हो गया कि हम 19th को जा रहे हैं. She somehow managed pulling off that weekend छुट्टी वाला डेट फॉर द विला. अब उस एक दिन पहले 18th को शाम में मेरी छोटी वाली शी ट्विस्टेड हर नेक, तो उसको बहुत स्प्रेन हो रहा था. तो आई कॉल्ड हर अप सेइंग कि श्रेया सुन, मेरी छोटी वाली इज नॉट फीलिंग वेल एट ऑल, तो क्या अपन इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. शी सेड सी अगर हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे ना तो दे विल फाइन अस फॉर दैट. I said यार because of my mistake somebody else gets fined is not right, that is the professionalism. फिर मैंने शुभम को कन्विंस किया, somehow पीछे डिक्की में भी put a bed and everything we managed and we left. I called mom that you all also leave. They बेचारा they left at 5 o'clock in the morning because उनको भी 200 kilometers था, मेरे को भी 300 kilometers था, तो we should reach at least by 11 so we can spend the day together. Now we reach there and what it is summer, एकदम full गर्मी. There is no power, there is no water, nothing. There is nothing. There is, and I didn't go on that trip. Because see, I felt more bad because मम्मी पापा मेरे भी आधा घंटा पहले पहुंच गए थे, पानी नहीं है. Yeah, so मतलब पापा even if they want to use the washroom, there's no water. Yeah, food is bad. And I like यार बर्थडे एंड शुभम ने बोला था कि चलना है तो मैं कहीं और को लेके जाता हूँ, मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट यू आर इंसिस्टिंग यही जाना है तो मैं अब चल ले, मैं क्या ही बोलूँ तेरे आगे.
So life is unpredictable.
Yeah.
And what? So can you believe on one of the projects? No, but wait. So after that, you know how beautifully Shreya handled the entire situation to that. So it went till 4 o'clock. They called for 2-3 jars of water cans for us. They refilled the water, everything for us. Somehow they managed to call the MSCB guys, everything, and by 4:35 in the evening, everything was so beautifully settled. After that, they sent me a written apology from their team, from the management team, and it was done so beautifully कि मतलब whatever the pain happened, they made sure that I was well taken care of even after that. She called consistently, being on that trip, asked, are you okay? Are you fine?
Yeah.
फिर एक रात को केक आता है मेरे जाने के बाद saying happy birthday, and then she's calling and checking केक आया था ना. So when a platform comes in between a creator and the brand, it's more, you know, a balance where both are in a win-win situation, what I feel.
So that was fire. I loved it, every bit of it. You guys are so fabulous. I love every perspective what you have been giving, and I loved it. So let's bring a tale of a twist here. So I'll be handing you the card on the tables. So I request you folks to take each one of you take one of it and answer them.
Oh my god.
Have you ever pretended to be on call to avoid someone? Oh, always. Especially when I'm getting a call from or talking to or discussing something and I want to avoid it. Arey call aaya, I'll just come. Hello, हाँ क्या important है? हाँ.
That was not difficult to know who you call.
I think we all have done that actually.
Yeah.
We all do it.
I mean that's the easiest way
Yeah.
out.
Yes.
Yeah. Though I get caught. That's another thing.
Beaten up after that.
Okay. What's the weirdest place you have ever filmed a reel? Weirdest place to know, but then I'm not comfortable shooting in a bathroom, but I've done that. So yeah, that should be my cue.
It's actually a weird
Yeah,
place.
so I've just done that, but that's okay. I got paid for it, so that's fine.
Come on.
Which OI creators campaign has been your favorite so far? अब now which one?
Magna City.
I think Kumar Magna City only have gone there twice, not once. Alright.
Who is most likely to reply to a message after 3 business days?
मेरी तो हिम्मत ना हो.
She herself.
मुझे भी ऐसे लगता है. Yeah, I think
It is so easy. It is so easy. I'm sure it is lonely.
I'm sure you need to be.
And that could be 7-10 days also.
So there's a confession to make. I usually read the message, but if I'm not interested, I won't reply for a few days. So now
we know if she's not replying.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to talk to us right now. Then call Nitesh.
Whose aesthetic would you borrow for a month? Okay, so I would want to borrow Nitish's these specs. I love those specs, and I would like to take away all Samiksha's bags. She has a lovely collection, and I keep saying, "Acha." And I remember once we were at a L'Occitane event.
Yeah.
My mother-in-law got a story.
It was exactly matching. That's matching कैसे मिला?
I was eyeing on that bag and I went to Levi's with my mother-in-law got that for me.
वत्सला कलेक्शन में 4-5 बैग्स और ऐड हो चुके हैं.
See, I told you I want
Yeah.
those kind of. So yeah.
मेरे पास जितना होता उसके पास भी है, उसका आधा मैं चोरी करने वाली थोड़े दिनों में.
Oh, this is a tough one. If you had to switch an Instagram account with someone here for a week, who would it be and why?
Come on, guys.
I'd go safe on it. हम दोनों exchange कर लेते हैं.
This is not applicable.
Yeah, actually that is not applicable. So you have to choose between the three of
I
us.
want to hear the real answer.
Among the three of us, please choose.
No. That is even.
नहीं अभी तो अभी यहाँ पे ना here, someone here. So Samiksha, I will want to switch it with you. I would love to spend time with your kids.
बस you tell me that answer. Now what do you want your day?
I'll love to do some few father.
Your kids to her, so that she gets to know.
The older kids are so easy to handle.
They will be like, we are doing. We're busy. We'll talk to you later.
Very good. I'm very happy. No bothering. Mama.
Oh my
I
God.
have to do a few dad reels with daughter. It's fun.
That will be fun.
Whenever you tell me, I'm going to send over. Just let me know.
Perfect.
So, if you could add one new feature to OI creators, what would it be? I will answer this if you promise me that you will actually implement it.
We can't promise, but we will definitely try our best because we are getting it from your side.
So we'll work on it, huh?
Obviously, we will work on that.
Samiksha.
Okay, so I'll answer and then they will add on to that. So the new feature would be, if you can add international collaborations, so that will be lovely. And we would love to see OA creators also going,
So it was for you only.
Yeah.
This was for OA. Let's make it big and let's travel the world, and that way we all grow together.
Yeah, so anyways, when I was new to OA Theatre, and then suddenly one day I saw a big, huge hoarding of OA Theatre, and I felt so proud. I worked with them. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for your part of this.
No, so everybody, whenever they ask me, kaun sa app download kare? I said, download OA. You'll get a lot of campaigns that I've been working with them for a very long time. You do it. It is very easy. It is very smooth. No kids for payment. Aaya nahi.
Actually,
It's
this
very
agency
nice.
is one of the smoothest, one of the best platforms.
So I think
when it comes for smooth payments, which creators crave that we are not getting the payments. I think whenever I've worked with OA, within at least a week, the payments are cleared. That too without even
asking her. We don't have to follow up even once actually. That's the best part.
I've never even asked you where's my payment. So this is how they respect the creator.
And जब they send us a message saying कि your payment is credited, please.
Yeah, please check and revert.
And yes, when I saw my app and oh my god, this much I've earned from OA, I felt proud.
Yeah. That's good.
Thank you, and we will definitely look into it. And even we want to explore more, so we will definitely try.
So next
So,
collab.
OA creators, I think yes. Let's start with Dubai and then we will see. We'll take it from there. Yeah.
So the list is already started, guys. They've already given you the location. Now it's your time to hop on that opportunity and take us into that.
No, I'll tell you what, and everybody knows, I think anyone in the content creation or influencing marketing is there. Today, Instagram is at the top. We are looking at more than $30 billion revenue that is going to be made out of the Instagram. So, this is the time. We are at the right place at the right time. So I think OA
And with the right platform.
and with the right people. Yeah. So I think this is the time when we all should support each other, collaborate, and then work towards a better future. India government has also recognized that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Now it's a serious profession.
Yes.
So,
So this time I have actually in my returns we've added, say, influencer, content creation, income. Karke we've added this time.
Yes, that's
it's a
good.
serious profession.
What is the funniest comment you have ever received? So recently there was this reel which I posted about traveling, and then I had this international trip with my husband after a very long time, only two of us. So I unlocked saying my boarding pass. So I had a lot of comments saying, "Stop fooling around with people that you are expecting a third on."
Yeah.
There were a lot of people. Are you kidding me? So a lot of
He's not allowed.
a lot of people have come up telling me one more. So that was the humor, giving it back to them. Ki nahi, ab one more nahi hai. Now I'm only going to travel.
Quite fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that one thing OA Creators has taught you as a creator?
Negotiate hard, guys.
Bang on.
Yeah.
One liner.
Yeah. Like,
So, last but not the least, who is most likely to apply for a campaign with OA creators within 30 seconds of going it live? Among us, 30 seconds. Okay, maybe not me actually. I will at least take 3 minutes. But okay, I'll
time लगता है ना?
थोड़ा read करने में, फिर जया से बात करने में, it takes 3 minutes to understand कि मेरे घर से कितना दूर है. Otherwise, I'm very comfortable working with it. So I'll give it to Nitish.
I think the first question has always been किधर है, location बता पहले कितना दूर जा रहा है.
If it is like very far, then I'm like, यार ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है.
But then somehow she manages to convince you to go.
yeah. नहीं, जो बाजू रहते हैं उनको दूर दूर भेजती है, जो दूर रहते हैं उनको मेरे घर में भेजती है.
I agree that somehow they manage because every now and then they'll come away, आज इस बार कर दो. अगली बार मैं पक्का fast location और better
Commercials.
And now I'm gonna teach you a new trick. Before she starts speaking, नहीं होगा. You don't give her a chance only to speak. This is a new skill unlocked.
Now you guys are a part of my family. Like OA creators building a family, of course a big family. So you guys are a part of that community. So that's why you guys are here, and I'm really thankful that you guys took your time and you guys are here. I'm really grateful. Thanks a lot for that. Now we are going to little bit. Abhishek will take this ahead and.
So guys, I'm back again. So it was lovely having you folks here. I really loved each part of it. So before ending this Metori, as we call it, hashtag Metori.
With all the chatoris.
Yeah.
Do that.
So I would like each one of you share your views, how you liked it. Did you like our podcast? We having our way out here. So it's up to you guys.
So I'll say it was a fun meetup with my fellow creators, and when you get to talk so openly, so transparently, it's rejuvenating. And it was so much fun that we were not hiding anything. We were just saying what we wanted to say with full of emotions and happiness, and sharing our thoughts, which is like not happening because we don't even meet these days. So it was like one of the best days, I'll say, today for me. And I will thank Wari Book Cafe for all the hospitality, and OA Creators for always being the best platform for content creation.
Yeah, so I'll just like to, add to what Vatsala said, that we guys met after a very long time, and it's always nice to meet like-minded people who you can connect and have a good laugh conversation with. And thanks to OA Creators for bringing us together. And the podcast was really fun. I think we were very natural, and we just shared our opinions, our thoughts, and at the end of the day, that's what really matters. So thank you so much for having us, OA Creators, and you guys are doing great work. The platform is amazing, and like Nitesh has already mentioned, that we love to get recurring assignments from you guys, which you're also giving. So now let's look at something international. That's something that they'll work on. So we've also given them a KRA working on that. So let's see when that happens. So, but on a serious note, the cafe is amazing. The vibes are very nice. I see a lot of books, though I'm not an avid book reader, but the food was really nice. So if you guys happen to be in this area, do visit the Valley Cafe. Thank you.
So guys, as Anshu and Vatsala have already said about the Valley Cafe, it's really nice, it's really cozy. So somebody for a book reader, it's a must visit. And thank you so much, OA Creators, for bringing all of us together. We all have not met since a long time, and the heart-to-heart conversation that is happening here. Thank you so much for it.
I think already these three have already said a lot about what we felt. So actually, this didn't feel like a podcast or anything. It actually felt like we were meeting after a long time, and we were just naturally catching up from where we left. So thank you, OA Creators, for doing this, and we look forward to you doing something more exciting in the future as well. And I mean, the place was very apt. I mean, I really love books, so I mean, after this podcast, I will go and check out the new books. Really love the place, vibe, and everything. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I must say, meeting with friends is something, but meeting with content creators with a lot of fun is always something. So I think I always have fun talking, and more than talking, I love listening to the conversation these ladies bring in. I must say, and today I had the ball of my time. Valley Cafe has such a pleasant and infra, the vibes, and so many books to go around. I think you all should also just come over here and see how it feels. And OA Creators, I think you bring in a blend of everything, from making us work, making us talk, and making us look so great. So I think thank you so much. And yeah, the destination Dubai and international, yes, we're looking forward for that. Thank you.